Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, I would like to quickly talk about 3 stocks that are looking great, where there is a lot of chatter in the past week. So I want to give you my view on DWAC, BBIG, and Lucid. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start with DWAC. So DWAC is a SPAC that is going to merge with TMTG, which is the Trump social media company. They have already merged actually, but they're going to start their social media platform on February 21. So let's first quickly look at the technicals, guys. It's very interesting. I'm following the stock, of course, since we saw this crazy moves, guys. I want it to be there whenever we have consolidation plus breakout. And I posted this alert on my Discord, guys, because it was a book case study. Look at that, guys. So remember this kind of configuration, because this is exactly what we are looking for when we want to trade breakouts. We're looking for a clear trend line with a few reactions. So here, the pink trend line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reactions. Only this one is not perfectly clean, but 6 reactions. And then we have, so you can see, very, very low volume. I don't even see the volume almost. Okay, here, so the volume was so small. Then we start to have increasing volume after the consolidation and a breakout on even higher volume. All right, so I got the signal on my hand around 62. Okay, this was for me the signal that DWAC was about to move higher. And what can we expect from here? So we have this breakout, then we had here one more resistance at 66, but it got broken, then retested. It was a level that we could use to enter as well. And right now, I think we're just gonna keep going higher. Let's see what the global market does, but this is a very special stock. So I think that even if the global market tanks, we might see some nice move up coming here. Once again, we are in the buy the rumor, maybe sell the news situation, but until February 21st, I don't see a reason why this would drop. So I think it will keep going higher. I don't know how high, guys. It's very difficult to make some technical analysis on a stock like that. I don't know, maybe 170 seems too high, guys, for February, but why not going to 100, 120? Okay, this is possible. So let's see what's going to happen next month. But once again, buy the rumor and maybe sell the news. So I would personally take some profits before February 21st. Now, next one, BBIG, guys. BBIG is in a nice situation. So this is the daily time frame. You can see, guys, for the past year, we move down 1, 2, 3 reactions, breakout, retest, we go higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 reactions, breakout, retest, we go higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reaction. So, question. Look at the volume. The volume is really telling you what the sentiment is. The volume is going higher every day. Move up, move up, move up, higher volume, higher volume, higher volume. So this is very bullish, all right? This is one information that is telling me clearly we have a resistance at 420. We have the 200-day moving average at 408, and we have this trend line coming here. So the question is, are we going to break it? My view is that probably we're going to have a first little rejection because it's the first time we arrive there, and maybe then break it right away. Or we open higher. We found resistance at 480, which is the natural level of resistance, as you can see. Here, 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 here lows, here on the highs, here the consolidation. We retest the breakout level around 4 and then we go higher. And of course, the bearish case, we get rejected and, you know, we find maybe a little bit of support, but we go lower. That's possible as well, guys. I didn't find any news. Maybe I didn't look good enough for news. So just tell me in the comments if there's some news I missed. But to me, this is just a rally because everybody is suddenly talking about that. So my fear is that you guys know that we were talking a lot about BBIG in the past few months. There are a lot of bag holders, guys. Those guys, they're probably going to exit their position around these levels. So maybe not, all right? So here, my view is 50-50. I don't know what's going to happen, but I know that if we break 4, I would try to buy on a retest here, but only if we break it for good for a few days, all right? So that it's not a fake out, because I don't like to trade breakouts whenever I don't have this nice consolidation like I had on DWAC, for example. So here, once again, and we have a lot of gamma, guys. Bam, bam, bam. Let me show you that. Okay. Up, I'm computing everything. So we have a lot of gamma, guys, as you can see, around the 4, 5, 6 strikes on Jan maturity, as you can see here, are huge. We have 40 million shares coming mostly from the 5, 6 strikes, so 4, 4.5, even 4. So this means, and it's next week, guys, this means that there's going to be a lot of pressure on option market makers, and that if we go through this, there's going to be a big pressure on the upside by these guys that need to buy when the price goes up. So it's one more reason to think that we might squeeze. Yes, that's something that might very well happen, but we might also, if all the backholders decide to take profits, the option gamma is not strong enough to create a squeeze. So it's really going to depend on the sentiment and what people do with their shares. All right. And I don't have an answer about that. So once again, my plan is to wait to see if we have a breakout and maybe to enter on the retest. Last one, guys, Lucid. So once again, nice situation here. So we were waiting for this breakout for quite some time. This is a nice breakout, guys, because we have here, look at this trend, all right? The market is making higher lows with the momentum making lower lows. So it means we take back energy, all right? So this is the sign of a healthy trend. This is one more thing that I will show you guys in the course that I'm creating that is going to be released in 2 weeks. Hopefully, guys, I'm finished with almost everything. You're going to see it's going to be amazing. And I'm explaining everything in this course. And for example, one very important thing is to look for breakouts in healthy trends. This is a healthy trend because once again, you can see the momentum had time to go lower when the price action was going higher, which means we reloaded some energy and we are ready to go higher. So then we have this bullish hidden divergence. Then here we have a bullish regular divergence. The market is making lower lows, but the momentum is making higher lows. I think we see it well on the RSI. Okay, you can see here on the MACD it's not obvious, but on the RSI is making higher lows. So this is a sign of reversal. So we have a long-term bullish hidden divergence, which says the trend is healthy and likely to continue. And we have a bullish regular divergence on the shorter term, telling us the correction might be over. Then we have the breakout. So here, same thing, I posted an alert. I'm in this trade. We moved quite higher. Then we got severely rejected. It might be only a pullback. So you can measure the last move up and use FIBs to enter. So usually after such a move, you can use the 50, 61.8%. They're good to enter. So 40, 39. All right. I'm going to increase my position here. Hopefully it's going to hold. Maybe it's not going to hold. You never know. This is trading, right? But this is a very nice setup. And if it holds and if we are able to push higher, the target is around 70 for the coming month or maybe 2 months. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.